Pick up the egg and you put it in the basket.
There you go.
Pick up your eggs, baby. Pick up your eggs.
He's like, I'll drag the basket, and they'll pick themselves up.
Yeah. Put it in the basket.
Come on, baby. Here.
So don't have
Here's
more
an
fun
egg.
picking them.
Put it in there. Do you want to put it in there?
Okay. Woo! There's one. He's like, where'd that
put
come
him in your basket, baby.
There's one.
Put it in the basket.
Here's
All right,
another.
Mimi, leave some for him.
Throw it in your basket. Like
Put
Mimi
it in your
did.
basket.
Go boop.
Drop it.
Throw it in there.
He's like, I don't want to.
You want to put it in the basket? You gonna give it to Dada? Yeah.
Oh.
Oh. Roll the egg. You want to put this one in there?
There we go.
Yay!
All right, there's another one. Pick it up. Put it in the basket, baby.
Yay!
You're so
All right.
Smart boy. There's another one right there. Yeah. Yay!
Put it in your
There's a
basket.
blue one right beside your
Good
phone.
job. There's another one.
Yay!
Oh, there's one.
Yay!
Good job. You're
There's
so
one.
smart. Yes, you
Can
are.
you get that one?
Says I want one of my eggs in here.
You gonna put it in?
Yay! Look, baby, here's one. Here's one, baby. You want that one? It's like, you guys make me do all the work. There you
Can't
go,
believe
baby.
Daddy
Here's
dumped all
another
these
one.
out. Now I gotta pick all of them up.
Put them in your basket. Yay! Good job.
There's some more right there.
You got two more
Two
left.
more. One. Yay!
Good job. Yay! Yay!
Look, all the eggs.
Oh, you want a piece of candy now? Because you did your work. There you go.
Yeah, I've done my job. I need the candy now.
He says, I'll even
Three Musketeers.
spit out.
First one.
Oh.
Hot chocolate. That's Mimi's favorite.
Was it good, baby?
Mm-hmm.
He says, I'm climbing the walls already.
You gonna dance now?
You want some
Gonna
more?
dance here. Yeah.
Is this dress for Daddy? Oh, no.
He's like, this is my candy, woman. What are you talking about?
Yummy. Oh, don't take my fingers now.
This is where Mama loses a finger. Right here.
Do your chocolate dance.
This is what comes in Easter eggs for candy.
Uh-oh, lost one.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, uh-oh, lost one.
There you go.
You
I
see it?
know. It's hard to see. It's right next to
Yeah.
your blue phone.
Yeah.
Look at you with your eggs. Aren't they so pretty?
You need a wagon to haul your eggs in, don't you?
Uh-oh, they're falling out.